This video depicts a very brief shift for a server. The server is going to sign in, start a table, continue a table, print a check, end the table, and sign out. There's a lot more to the system, but this will show some of the basics. The system has the option of the server using a passcode to just sign in or provide a passcode to use the entire system. These special features will be taught to the new employee by the manager if they are used in the system. This is called the sign in, sign out screen. It is the screen you most likely will see when you walk up to an URSA Major computer. I'm going to sign in a new server. Sign in. These are all the people that have not signed in at this time. I'm going to click on Paula. You could have a message here from management. If the above name and employee number are correct, press here. We are now back to the sign in, sign out screen. Paula can use the system. I'm going to click on Paula. This is the table options screen. I'm going to start a table. I'm going to start table 1 with 2 people. This is called the menu screen. The items down here are called food groups. It looks much like your menu, such as appetizers, breakfast, pizza, subs, etc. Naturally, the screens for your restaurant will be different. These are the menu items within the bottled beer. As I click these menu items will change. I'm going to click on liquor. These are called sub-food groups. If you have a very large list, such as a liquor list, we can break it down into alphabetical order. I'm going to start off with I'm going to order appetizer, and I'm going to order 10 chicken wings. These are called force descriptors. They're not used, they appear every time you order a particular item. I'm going to order a Caesar salad and blue cheese. I'm going to go to subs, and I'm going to order a cold ham sub. These boxes over here, you could have 2 boxes, are called optional descriptors. You don't use them every time. For example, with a ham sub, you may want no butter, extra garlic. When I click on here, this appears. The items in red have asterisks in front of them. They are called descriptors. They go with the item above them, such as the chicken wings with Caesar salad and blue cheese. I'm going to go through a few more items here. Entrees. I'm going to order a fillet. These again are force descriptors. They appear every time I order the fillet. Medium rare, baked, potato, and peas. Pizza is a little different. I'm going to order pizza. I'm going to order a small pizza. In this particular case, you can order as many items as you want. I'm going to order pepperoni on the entire item. I'm going to, on the upper half, I want half onions, lower half – 1/2 meatball. At this point in time, you have a choice of just printing the order to the kitchen and bar, or you can print the order to kitchen bar and also print the customer check. At this point in time, we'll just print the order. We are back to the sign in, sign out screen. Paula is going to go back to the table, continue table, table 1, and order dessert. And she's going to order 2 sorbets. Now she's going to print the order and print the check. Paula brings the check to the table and they pay cash. I click on here. I'm going to end the table. And I'm going to click calculate exact change. The amount is up there, $58.72. Let's assume they give $60. The exact change is here. Click on here. If there's a cash register attached, it will open. And Paula has ended her first table. I'm going to go through and show you some things not to do. I'm going to start another table. Let's table 3, 3 people. I'm going to order a sub, club turkey. I'm going to order food descriptors. I'm going to say no sauce. Okay. I'm going to order a ham sub. Now, let's assume that the customer says they did not want the turkey sub. Since this order has not gone to the kitchen, you can delete it without any authorization code. I click on it and I delete it. You cannot run the system with descriptors as the first item because they don't link to anything. The system gets confused. So if you're going to remove the first item, you're going to move that, and you're going to move this. I'm going to now go to entrees, filet, rare. And I'm going to just print the check. Let's assume that customer has a coupon. I'm going to click on Paula, and I'm going to go to server options. Now, in many cases, management has installed a authorization code. Here are a list of server options you can use. You can add coupons, gift certificates, discounts. If there is something not on the menu and the customer wants to order something unusual, you can add a bar charge, a food charge. Most of the other items here are for management. Now let us add I'm going to put the authorization code in. I'm going to click on coupon, table 3, and I'm going to make it for $5. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to continue the table, table 3, and you notice the coupon for $5 has been added. If you add items and you suddenly realize that this is the wrong table, you can cancel. Now, cancel does not mean the entire check is gone. You can't delete an entire check. When I click cancel, it is going to simply get rid of the 2 items I just made. Now notice the little dash after each of these. That means those items have already gone to the kitchen or the bar. I can add a text message if I like. Let me go to barbecue wings, and I'm going to click on barbecue chicken plate, French fries, squash. If a descriptor is not in the optional descriptor list, you can add a text message. No. No salt. However, using the text message should be a rarity. I can order multi-items. I'm going to order 2 barbecued ribeyes. I'm going to print the order. I'm going to now try to end the table. In this case, you have not printed a new check, or your check total is 0, or the first menu item amount is 0, or you have changed separate checks. I'm going to print the check, and we're back. I'm going to, let's assume I'm going to try to sign out. I click on sign out. It won't let me sign out because I still have tables open. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to end the table. I'm just going to make it cash. Now I'm going to sign out. You have a choice to print out every check and transaction you did, or you can just get a summary report. Management will let you know which one they want you to do. I'm going to say yes. If you're a server, you click here on the floor. You work at the bar, you work here. You work in kitchen, here. Administrative duties here, and admin here, and miscellaneous here. I'm going to click on the floor, and if you notice, your name has disappeared on the sign in, sign out. That is the end of this basic lesson. Thank you.